Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath and we are studying the subject of social and preventive pharmacy, right? Okay. And in this video, we will see the concept of the public health. Public means we know it is a people of the nation. Okay, very important concept. Okay, public health. Okay, see how the peoples are giving a nation government is giving a vaccination to all the people. Okay, this is a common symbol for all the countries. Okay, public health symbol. All the countries combined together, they developed one new symbol. That is, this is the symbol. This is the logo, and the logo is having a some caption also. Prevent, promote, protect. Three things are there. All P, P, P. Okay, prevent from the disease, promote the health, protect from the infections. That is the concept. Yeah. Corona, in this pandemic situation, we will take the example of Corona so that we can understand better. Okay. Uh, it made a very big nonsense things. It was a headache really to the, see, he's a Britain president and American president Trump and Russia, Putin and Modi. They faced a very biggest problem. It became a burden. So this concept is very suitable to our topic. See, this is our subject, social and preventive pharmacy. It comes in the B Pharmacy final year, 8th semester. Okay, and this is the syllabus. In this syllabus, the points which I highlighted, concept of the public health. That is the we are going to be cover in this video. Okay, concept of evaluation of public health. I will do next video. In this video, only the concepts of public health. Okay. And what are the points I covered in this class or video is the first one is the public health. What is the definition, introduction and all. And the public health system. System, there must be a very good important system will be there. Not only the system, you should have a service also. Service also very important. Public health system, public health service, public health approach. You have to approach the public for health. You have to approach compulsory. Okay, what are these points? We will see one by one. First one is the public health. What is the public health? Public means it is nothing but a population. We know it is the health of all the people who are living in this in the nation is called as a public health in that country or in that nation, entirely collectively called as a public. If one person only is a healthy, remaining all are disease, all are disease. The country itself is diseased. Like one or two, it's not countable. Okay, so that's why total nation health is important, not the individual health. Here, combinedly, they will look together. Combinedly together. Okay. Definition. This is one. First definition you have to write, and both two definitions you have to write in the examination. Public health is the science. This definition is developed by the Winslow, CEA Winslow. He is a professor. He developed this equation. Public health is the science and art of preventive the disease, prolonging the life you have to be prolonged, lifespan you have to be prolonged, you have to prevent the disease. So when you prevent the disease, automatically your life will be prolonged. And promoting the health, you are automatically you will promoting the health. And the efficiency of a person, capability of a people, capability of the nation, entire efficiency through the organized community effort. There must be an organized community effort. Otherwise, that's why the people, our nation is giving a vaccination for all. Okay, why means community effort they are doing. First, in the public health, if the public health is not good, people are unable to work. They will become very sick. They will become illness. They will become infected. Okay, they do not have sufficient good health. They are unable to work. So industries cannot work, business cannot work, institutions cannot work. Okay, so industries will be collapsed, institutions will be collapsed, foreign investments doesn't come because foreigners will not invest because it is a diseased country. They will say India is diseased country, so that they will not come. No investment, no food, no work, no salary, nothing. Per head income is reduced, per capital income it is called as. is reduced. So per head capital income is reduced. Automatically, total nation income will be decreased. Entire country will be collapsed, completely collapsed. Okay, and closed. Entire country has to be closed. So, as per Indian Constitution, health is the primary right of the person and also responsibility also. The Constitution has given a rights to the public as well as responsibilities to the public also, both. But people are saying only I have a rights. You have a rights, no problem in that. But you have at the same time, you have a responsibilities also. You open the constitution book or those preparing for the groups, you just ask them. Rights is also there. Rights as well as the responsibilities. Public health is a big task for any country. It was the biggest headache. If you see, not even a single 1% or 2% are a village people. Total nation itself. If bigger the population, bigger the risk. If smaller the population, it was somewhat better. Otherwise, it will be a big, very big task for the country. Public health is a high priority for any government because per head capital decreased, total country will be collapsed. That is only the high priority. That's why they are they are giving allotting a lot of budget for the health. They are constructing the government hospital. They are constructing, appointing the various doctors. Why, miss? That is an important point for it. This work is achieved by the promoting the healthy lifestyle. They have to promote. The country has to promote the healthy lifestyle. You be healthy. They have to aware the people. Aware the people. For example, in India, in the last year, they awared Fit India. Fit India, it was a national call by the Prime Minister. They called Fit India. Why means then daily you have to do exercise. Some was there. You can Google it. Fit India, 2nd October, they called at least 2 kilometers per day. You have to walk like that. 2 October 2. Promoting the healthy lifestyle, they have to tell Ayush medication, Ayush, okay, that you know very well, Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy, everything all combinedly together. First letters they have taken and they made Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Siddha, like that, Unani. And see how the people are irresponsible for that. See, some people somewhere very irresponsible. They see they wear the mask. This fellow, he wear the mask. See, opened. It was opened. Then what is the purpose of standing like this and wearing the mask like this? Okay, they should not do it. It affect not only his health, total nation health. He will damage even single person also. Yeah, public health we can achieve by the three important steps. Three important steps. These three important steps combinedly together, what I have told, public health system. First one, you must have a system. That means that you must have a hospital, you must have a doctors, you must have a nurses, you must have ambulances, you must have a beds in case of emergency, you must have a ICU, you must have a pharmacist, paramedical staffs, all must be there. Public health system means the things which are existing physically. It is a primary requirement. Primary. Okay. See, in corona cases, the entire train, the train itself, they converted into coaches converted into hospital beds, like that. In emergency cases, you have to take such a decisions. Okay, this is a public health system. Okay, next is public health service. You have to give a information, lot of information. Service mind you should have. Only the physical things existing, but they are not interested to do. Doctors do not have interested. Nurses do not have a service mind. Then what is the purpose of having all the physical things? Service mind must be there. Call center, Corona helpline call center. Service, you have to provide a service. Okay. And also approach, work plan, action plan, what you have to do. In this week, what we have to do. In the next week, what we have to do. Action plan. See, you have only action plan, but you do not have these two. Then it will be waste. You have this one, service mind, but you do not have this and this. It is waste. You have only health system, but you do not have service mind, you do not have a health approach. Waste. Three are combinedly, collectively very important. Very important. Okay. So public health, you have to approach by three. I have given the Indian nation colors for your easy remembrance. Okay. System, service, approach. Yeah, here you can see the same definition. These are the basic physical existing things like a doctor, nurses, manpower, which assures the public health. This is the main assurance. Oh, assured. Okay, okay. So hospital is there. Okay. Somewhat assurance, coolness will come. For example, say facilities, all the medical facilities. And these are public health services. These are the basic non-physical existing thing. Non-physical existing thing that assures the public health. Okay, our government is having service mind. Okay, no problem. Our doctor is having a service mind. No problem. So service mind, that is. And these are the action plans taken by the government. What are the action plans you have to take? What is the target of the vaccination in this month, next month? How? What is the target? Where you have to manufacture? What companies? Either we have to pay to the company or how? Either we have to collect the prices from the people or it is a free. That and all decisions they have to taken by the thing. Here, public health system. Here, 8 points are there. I summarized. 8 points are there. Here, 10 points are there. Public health services. And four types of approach is there. So approaches are four types. Public health services are 10. Public health system is 8 types of systems you must have. That and all we will see. Public health system. It is defined as a all public, all not only government, all public, private government also it comes into the picture in case of pandemic situation, pandemic act. Okay, private hospitals, private government doctors also, private doctors, government doctors all come into the picture. It is defined as a public, private, government, non-government, and voluntary. Those who are all coming voluntary, manpower, machine power, money power. It entitles it entities that contribute to the delivery to deliver the essential public health services within a see health services. If you want to deliver health services, you must have health system. Without health system, without health system, you cannot give your services. That's why this is the primary requirement for any nation, basic primary requirement. Without this you cannot do anything. The only God only has to save your country. Okay, this concept will give assurance, ensures the entitles the contribution to the health. It helps. These are the 8 things. So here the cycle wise there, you can take a screenshot. What are these 8 types of systems which we must have? That we will see along with the example so that you can have very easy remembrance. 8 points, same 8 points I listed here. There diagrammatic. Here only list. Both are same. Okay. First one, public health agencies. Agencies must be there at state level, local level, national level, state level, local level. That is means a district level, taluk level, everything. For example, NCDC. It is a present in our India, National Center for Disease Control. Public agency must be there. Agency. Number one, first one is the agency. A stands for agency, like that. Number two, healthcare providers like a doctors, nurses. Only agency is not enough. Pharmacists, all paramedical staff, even RMP doctors also very important in such a situation. Public safety agencies, safety like a Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. It is called as a CRPF police force, but they will come into the picture here. They will come for safety in case of any natural calamities like a earthquake or these pandemic situations like corona. They will come into the picture. They will come. Not only they will not say only corona is there, I cannot come, because their duty they have to come. Okay. Mm, in case of various tsunami cases, earthquakes, they must be there. CRPF compulsory. They are the safety. They will give a safety. Human service and charity organizations like Lions Club, Red Cross Society must be there. And education and youth development, like a NGO for child and youth development in India. It was there, NGOs. Okay, recreation and arts related to organization like a National Youth Council of India is there in India. Not only government, Private organizations also must be there. That is called as a philanthropic. Philanthropic, very, very important term. Like a Tata Trust. Tata has gave nearly 1,000 crores or 1,500 crores, so he is donated. Like that, philanthropic, private helping persons called as a philanthropic. Economically, they are very sound. They must be there. Otherwise, only government cannot tolerate, no? And the environmental agencies, environment will cause a disease. We know in last video, environmental National Green Tribunal, it is NGT. It is one of the important thing which is there in our this one. Yeah. So that is over. Now services system is over. 8 types of systems we completed, and services. See, services total 10 types is there. Here you can say T1, 2, assessment. It comes under the assessment. First, you have to monitor the health of the public. All the people, you have to take a blood samples, you have to send like a corona tests, for example, say example, corona test. You have to diagnose either corona is there, corona is not there, is there any other factors. This is called a assessment. So these type of services must have. See, government has provided a Sanjeevani buses, so that all the people, they will go to the bus and they will give the sample. Very easily you can remember this complete chapter with the help of Corona. Diagnosis, investigate. These are the two. First one is assessment. See the symbol here, uh, symbol of the microscope. Okay. See here, National Health Survey in India. This comes under the assessment. Survey, they did a survey, they collected all the samples, they did a survey, what is the stages of corona, like that. Next is policy development. 3 points here come, 1, 2, 3. 3 points, they have to develop a policy because they assessed here. National health policy 2017, 2020 is also there. National health policy, nation has developed some policy. This is the second phase. Okay, total 3 phases are there: assessment, policy development, assurance. Ayushman Bharat, assurance they are giving. This is the India's. So India plan, total India strategy I gave here so that you can easily remember. Otherwise, the points you cannot remember directly this chapter, because it looks like all it came, but nothing entered into your mind. You feel that everything I understand, but when you sit in the examination, you cannot move your pen. Those type of subject is like jurisprudence. Okay, this subject is like that only. Okay, so all these 10 points, so total 9 is here. Center point is research for all. It is a 10th point. So totally you count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 points are there. Okay, Ayushman Bharat comes under assurance. National health policy comes under policy development. Yeah, here you can see all the 10 points. Monitor the health status of the public. First, you have to monitor what is the health status. Either they are a healthy condition or unhealthy condition. Which disease is more, which diseases are less. You have to diagnose. You have to invest same 10 points only, but somewhat elaborated, sentence wise. This is more than enough for them. Okay, both the 2 slides are same only. You take a screenshot of both, no problem. Inform. You have to inform the people. You have to educate them, and you have to empower them. People. These are the service minded. You should have. Mobilize the community partnerships and action to identify, to solve the health problem, to develop the policies. Just now I have shown, to enforce the laws, some rules and regulations, some acts you have to bring in the parliament, powerful acts. Otherwise, it is not possible. Link the people. Link the people to need the personal health services. Assurance, government has to link to the public. Azure, that's why they will develop an app here. Link the people to needed personal health services. That's why they have developed app. One app that is very popular app. Oh, I don't know exactly name. I was unable to recall. That app is very, very important. That is a link between a government and people. And assure the complete public and personal health care forwards. And research, very important. Research. Example is a DST. Department of Science and Technology giving a lakh of funds, crores together, not lakhs, crores together to the teaching faculty or research industries to develop a medicine for corona. This is the name of the department. Government is giving a much. Department of Science and Technology. Government of India, DST has provided. Okay, that is our services. Now approaches, only 4 are there, so that we can complete the topic. Okay. Surveillance. First one is surveillance. What is the problem? You have to make a surveillance. Surveillance means just like a camera. You have to put under, you are under surveillance camera. So people has to be under surveillance of the, what is the problem? You define the violence. Violence means it is a problem here. Disease here. Okay. Define the disease problem through the systematic data collection. Systematically, you have to collect the data. You have to do a survey. First of all, which disease we have to cure? India, diabetes is more. So we have to approach the plan like that. First of all, survey. Without survey, you cannot do any action plan. Surveillance, first one. Number two, identify the risk and protective factors. Which factors are responsible for risk? Which factors are responsible for the factors, causative factors? You try to, and the third one, you have to identify. Third one, develop and evaluate the interventions. What works for that problem? What we have to do? Okay, first one is what is the problem? Number two, what are the causes? Number three, what we have to do? Number three, action. Okay, scale up and effective policy program implementation, it is called as very, very, very important steps. Very important. Here I will give you 4 steps, only 4 headings I will give you, so that you can understand very well. What will be the impact of corona? Here you have to see the scope. First point, same points only, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 examples. What will be the impact of corona? What will be the scope of corona? What will be the characteristic of corona? Surveillance, you have to do a survey. Magnitude, what is the magnitude of corona? Number 2, how it comes, why disease occurs. By touching the diseased persons, it comes. Infected surfaces like a table or anything, so doors, you should not touch. If it is infected, automatically you will get. So this is why the disease come, by touching the diseased persons. Then next, what we have to do? Avoid crowding. That is a step. Avoid crowding. Avoid, see, if he is touching another person, you have to avoid the crowd. If you want to avoid the crowd, what is the implementation? Lockdown. Lockdown. See the sequentially. Corona, what is the scope? How it comes? By the touching. How to avoid the touching? You have to avoid the crowd. How to avoid the crowd? Lockdown. And people are not wearing masks, so it goes through nose. So what we have to do? Wearing the mask is the solution. What you have to do? Supply of the masks, supply of the sanitizers, like that. Each part, what we have to, all the steps are very, very, very important. Finally, lockdown is must. Social distancing you have to be maintained. Supply of the mask. These are the examples. With the examples, you can explain very neatly in the examination, right? Okay. So, salary to corona warriors. Okay. I will end my session here. You can see all my videos subject wise in my channel's playlist.